Let's analyze the performance data. Let's analyze the performance data. Can you draft a policy document? Can you draft a policy document? We need to improve our internal communication. We need to improve our internal communication. I will coordinate with the marketing team. I will coordinate with the marketing team. Let's discuss the new project requirements. Let's discuss the new project requirements. Can you provide an estimate for this? Can you provide an estimate for this? We need to review the audit findings. We need to review the audit findings. Please follow up with the vendor. Please follow up with the vendor. Let's set up a training session. Let's set up a training session. Can you summarize the key points? Can you summarize the key points? We need to enhance our product offering. We need to enhance our product offering. I will send a status report. I will send a status report. Let's review the annual budget. Let's review the annual budget. Can you draft a press release? Can you draft a press release? We need to improve our lead generation. We need to improve our lead generation. Please confirm the availability of resources. Please confirm the availability of resources. Let's outline the project milestones. Let's outline the project milestones. Can you coordinate with the IT team? Can you coordinate with the IT team? We need to address the compliance issues. We need to address the compliance issues. I will arrange for the necessary approvals. I will arrange for the necessary approvals. Let's discuss the resource allocation. Let's discuss the resource allocation. Can you provide an update on the project timeline? Can you provide an update on the project timeline? We need to improve our customer retention. We need to improve our customer retention. Please review the project charter. Please review the project charter. Let's analyze the financial statements. Let's analyze the financial statements. Can you prepare the meeting agenda? Can you prepare the meeting agenda? We need to focus on quality assurance. We need to focus on quality assurance. I will send you the latest version of the document. I will send you the latest version of the document. Let's review the risk management plan. Let's review the risk management plan. Can you coordinate with the finance team? Can you coordinate with the finance team? We need to streamline the workflow. We need to streamline the workflow. Please update the project status. Please update the project status. Let's discuss the project scope. Let's discuss the project scope. Can you provide a status update? Can you provide a status update? We need to enhance our marketing strategy. We need to enhance our marketing strategy. I will handle the documentation. I will handle the documentation. Let's review the project deliverables. Let's review the project deliverables. Can you prepare a project plan? Can you prepare a project plan? We need to improve our time management. We need to improve our time management. Please confirm the project schedule. Please confirm the project schedule. Let's analyze the customer feedback. Let's analyze the customer feedback. Can you draft a project proposal? Can you draft a project proposal? We need to address the operational issues. We need to address the operational issues. I will coordinate the project activities. I will coordinate the project activities. Let's review the strategic plan. Let's review the strategic plan. Can you provide a project summary? Can you provide a project summary? We need to improve our resource utilization. We need to improve our resource utilization. Please follow up on the action items. Please follow up on the action items. Let's discuss the project dependencies. Let's discuss the project dependencies. Can you provide a project overview? Can you provide a project overview?